All right, my replacement Dissim lighter has finally come in. It's been about 2 weeks. Before I start, saw a lot of people commenting in the first video that I lit the lighter with the lighter, so that was the problem. Well, first things first. Here we go. Wow. Didn't flame up. That was not what caused the problem. I'm 100% sure it's some kind of thing with the adjustment in there. Some kind of O-ring or something is screwed up and the fluid leaked out when I set it too low. Number two, yes, I know they said to wait 8 hours. I'm going to wait 8 hours now. The video that I put out came out before they sent out the 8-hour email. It's like saying to wait 8 hours before you even roll the wheel or whatever and try to light the lighter. My video came out before that. So all we're going to do right now is open it up, put butane in it. I'll show a clock or something, and then it's 6:18 p.m. right now. We'll come back sometime tomorrow morning, and I'll see what happens next time. So let's open it up again, and I'm sure it's the exact same thing, in which they left me a little love letter in here. Hey. So there it is. Anything behind here? Ooh, the manual. Oh yeah, apparently I didn't read the directions last time either. Yeah, I didn't really think I needed to read directions on how to fill a butane lighter, but yeah, this doesn't even say the 8-hour thing in it either. So I'm sure that this is probably just another lighter. They didn't even change the directions. Whatever. That's fine. As long as this works, that's good enough for me. I'm not here to shit all over them or whatever. I just, want a working lighter. That's it. So I'll follow the directions exactly, step by step. Filling and refueling the lighter. Hold the lighter sideways so the valve is pointing upwards. Release the fuel tank pressure using a small screwdriver or similar tool, pressing down onto the fuel inlet valve. Repeat until all the pressure is released. Same knife as last time. I don't know if you could hear that, but that's it. Set the fuel to the lowest setting, but the fuel valve still pointing upwards. Insert the butane tank directly into the fuel valve. There, it's now. Okay, it's stopped turning. Now it's at its lowest setting. So, take it. The fuel valve still pointing upwards. Insert the tip of the butane and wait for 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to put it down. I'm not even going to touch my desk tonight. Unless a cat jumps on it or something, that's it. I'll see you guys in 8 hours. Oh, I got to show a clock. I'll be right back. There. Took me 3 minutes to make that part. 6:21. All right. It's well over 8 hours later. It's about 11:45 in the morning the next day. So let's pick it up. Simply press down the ignition switch to ignite the flame. Here we go. Come on. Oh, you can see the spark in there. All right, I'll adjust the wheel. Make it a little bit higher. I mean, it was on its lowest setting. Oh. Okay. And there you go. Wow, that is a huge flame. Okay, getting me nervous. All right, let's lower it all the way down and see if what happened last time happens again. Whoa, Jesus Christ. That's crazy. I gotta take it off camera for a sec. I just want to see how high this gets. That is insane. Hold on. Like, what the fuck? I mean, that's a hell of a lighter. I don't know if I would turn it up that high, but yeah, I mean, this one works. Yeah, don't hold it for more than 10 seconds. That's what it says. Well, I did. So, there you go. This lighter functions. So, I mean, will I use it? Probably once in a while, maybe. I don't know. I'm still honestly a little bit nervous of it after what happened last time where it flamed up. But, I mean, it's nice. It's a good lighter, it seems like, you know. It's well made, is what I'll mean by good. It seems like the outside is nice. The internals, maybe not so much. Turning it all the way up, I don't know if I would do that. For really any reason. That was pretty intense. But, yeah, I mean, the outside, like, I still like the look and feel of it. I don't necessarily trust the reliability of it, but it's nice to see that at least this one works. Here's this looks like it's like closer than it is. So here's the upside down, the inverted flame. I mean, yeah. Now, was it worth $35? Is that what I paid? Somewhere around there, plus some shipping, so it ended up being like $45. Probably not. I mean, it's the first thing I ever backed off Kickstarter. It's interesting the way that it like this whole little story that's going on with it. Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't recommend it, honestly. Just based on the last video's comments where other people said that they had this issue or like had issues with it. I don't know, maybe wait a while if you're really looking for one until some of the quality issues get resolved. Come on, don't even. Really? What is this, a joke? All right, let's lower it down. You can smell, or like, you know how like if your grill gets kind of hot, you can like smell the like the propane smell or whatever. That's what I'm smelling right now. Yeah, honestly, fuck it. I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna use this lighter. That's it. Like, well made. When I said that, I mean like I like the design and the feel of it. The internals on this, I don't trust it. Straight up, that I just don't. It doesn't seem like it's overall that reliable either. I mean, click it a couple times, it works. Click it a couple times, and it doesn't. I would just stick with this. There you go. Lights every single time. Tried and true. This. I mean, this, like I said, don't, if you have one, I don't know if yours will do this, but don't turn it all the way up, because it's not playing around. Well, now it won't even light when it's turned all the way up. I mean, that's a heck of a flame. So, I don't know. I'm going to release all the butane out of this outside and shelve it because it's not for me. But, hope you guys enjoyed the follow-up video. Obviously, there's still some issues or something that need to be resolved if a lot of other people are having the... I don't know if it's the exact same thing as what happened with my first one, where it's flaming up. But, I mean, this one certainly doesn't light every time. And I don't necessarily think the flame's supposed to get that high either. But, alright. Just figured to make a video of the follow-up and the second one that they sent out. And have a good day and take it easy. Okay, so this is what I mean by the flame getting too high, by the way. So, starts off low. I'll let off. Turn it up a little bit higher. Like, that's probably normal. But then, like, that's crazy. So, I don't know. Just be careful if you guys are using it. I don't know if it's really supposed to adjust that far. I mean, that's like, that just doesn't seem like it would be designed that way to have it go like that. But, alright. Take it easy.